Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Xiaomi announced today the ultra-affordable Redmi A3 smartphone. It has a leather-like finish on the back design. The Redmi A3 is built around a 6.71-inch LCD with HD Plus resolution. It has 90Hz refresh rate and a Gorilla Glass 3 on top. Redmi A3 comes with a Helio G36 chipset, which was the same as the predecessor A2. However, here, RAM is either 3GB, 4GB, or 6GB. With Android 13 Go edition, there are 2 shooters on the big circle at the back, an 8MP main one and some sort of auxiliary snapper, and 5MP selfie camera. The battery has 5000 mAh capacity and supports 10W charging through the USB-C port. There is also a 3.5mm audio jack on the phone. The Redmi A3 has 3 color options: olive green, midnight black, and lake blue. The base 364GB version costs 7,299 Indian rupees. Xiaomi will start selling the phone on February 23rd at mi.com, Flipkart, and select Mi Home retail stores across India. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.